Well guys, guess what me and Addie's doing today? We got our fishing gear. This looks like to me it's dumped out all over the truck. We got our fishing gear. We'll get set up here and try to catch some fish. Don't know if we will or not, but we're gonna give it a whirl. But thought we'd video something a little different. Power plant back there. That's across the river over in Kentucky. Thought we'd give y'all something a little different today. Hope y'all enjoy it. We're gonna be back on a little while.